Okay, I'm over at Animal Kingdom. I'm thinking about going to do Expedition Everest single rider. So I'm going to park the ECV over here in the stroller parking. And I'm going to go ride. Okay, the ECV is parked. We're going to go do the Maharaja Jungle Trek. I'm going to do it on foot. I haven't done this in a while, so hopefully I can hold up to it. But it's just so much easier to navigate if I'm on 2 legs instead of 4 wheels. So let's go see a baby.
Eventually he might, but he's just sleeping right now.
So cute. So tiny, so sleepy. And that's going to be the end of the Maharaja Jungle Trek. But let's go see what else we can get into. Okay, so I've got my fan going because it's like weirdly hot all of a sudden. I ordered my food. I'm eating Satu'li Canteen. Of course, it's my favorite. I have about 15 minutes to get over there before my window opens. I kind of want to go through the Gorilla Falls exploration trail, but I also want to go try to find the kangaroos. So I've actually never seen the kangaroos. So I think we should do that. And then maybe we'll do Gorilla Falls and Kilimanjaro safaris in a little bit. Yeah, let's go do that. Look, a lizard. Hi. Oh my god, it's eating something. Look, babies are so cute. Ducklings. All the babies. There's one away.